Assalamu alaikum. Hello everybody. This is an exercise about sets, a crazy one actually. Let us consider S formed by the element empty, the set of empty set, man, delta, 1 and 2 as a set, and 3 and 4 and 5 as a set. First question. Does phi belongs to S? Yes. This because phi is included in any set. How about this element? This element belongs to S. Why? Because this one. And this element is included in S. Why? Because this one. This for this one, and this for this one. More, and from this we have the set of the empty set is included in S. How about the man? The man belongs to S, and for sure the set of the man included in S. 1 and 2 element from S. One, two, the set of 1, 2 included in S. How about 2? 2 belongs to S? No. 2 included in S? No. One, 2 included in S? Yes. 1, 2 included, this belongs included in S? No. Three. No. No. The set of C isn't included in S, and the 3 isn't an element of S. How about 3, 4, 5? This is an element. This is an element of S. But the set of this one is included in S. How about 4, 5? Isn't an element of S? No. Isn't included in S? No. What else? This, for example, is included in S, as we said. The man and delta, this is a subset of S. Delta is an element of S. The set delta belongs to S, and so on. Thank you very much. See you next time.